Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
CapCut video editing tutorial. So here, um, we give you a quick tutorial on the video editing here on CapCut. So here at CapCut, we have first thing we will see is when we open the CapCut is this. So we have the record screen, we have AI video making, but this is only for the Pro. From Pro version. If you want to get the Pro version, here's the Pro version of the CapCut. So here we have the $2 for month, but it's only start for the first month, but then it turns back to like 10 to $9 per month. So yeah, there you go. So let's start. First thing we do is create project. After that, we are now right here at our CapCut. So at our CapCut, we can create any projects right here, and the frame rate is starting with 30 FPS. But wait, we're gonna add something right here. We're gonna add this one right here. 30 FPS, but if we export it, we can change it to a much higher FPS, 60 FPS, and as you see, we can change it to 8K if we want to. So yeah, but before all of that, yeah, so here we have the our basics at media, audio, text, sticker effects, transition, caption, filters, adjust, and AI avatars on the top left corner. On medias, we have here we have import, sub projects. We have in the sub projects, we just favorites and present, brand assist, AI media space right here, library right here. But here, as you can see, there's like a diamond thingy. So that means it's only available for Pro, but you can use it if you want. If you want to check if it looks good on your video, there you go. Right here, and we have the there you go. And here we have the audio files here. Some of these are free. You don't need to use your you don't have to buy, but some of them you need to buy the Pro for you to use. But you can use them. What I mean is when you're gonna export them, it's not allowed. So see what I mean when I click export. There you go. Get discount. It wants you to buy the Pro version if you're gonna use those Pro features. So yeah. So here we have blog marketing, dreamy travel. Oh, almost all of the musics are available right here. We have sound effects right here. As you can see right here, there's no diamond sound right there, so we can use this right there. There you go. So when we export it, see, it's totally normal. So now, there we go. That's done with that. Now we have the text right here. So here are the text. We have the text effects right here. So we can add any of those, but we're gonna use the free ones, so we can edit those. There we go. We're gonna put in cool. There you go. Cool. And here we have much more text effects. There we go. Some of them are pros, so yeah. There you go. And then, oh, this one's free. On this one looks cool. Yeah, see. More cool. So we could change the color into, I'm guessing blue. Kind of like blue. There you go. You get the blue color for the blue. There you go. Got the blue. I'm blue. A B C D F G H I J K. There you go. You can move it. You can move it right there. There you go. So here at your right side corner, if you're wondering, here are all the things. For example, you choose in this image right here. This one right here. Press that, and here are the things that you can edit for this particular um, image right here, or maybe text. Click on the text. This particular text right here. You can edit it as well. For example, right here, we can use it as you see. Scale, blended, stabilize, enhance quality, reduce image noise, and so much more. Lip sync. Oh, there we go. So much more. The remove BG, auto removal. We have the custom if you want. We have mask here if you want to add in baskets. Retouch if you want to retouch. There you go. Face, body, So there we go. We have all of that right there. But as you can see, it's not available because we don't have an image right here of a person. So yeah, there you go. So we have the speed of the video, so make it super very fast if we want to. Animation, adjust, style, AS style, and many so much more here. Tuning combo. And here at the text, oh, this one is the cool one. I'm gonna show you something. So here you have the glow stroke background and all of those curved shadows. We got the shadows. It looks cool. Oh, currently unavailable. Oh, I think because it's already built. So yeah, there you go. And we have this one's my favorite one, text to speech, because you can add a voice right here. So here's let's say you want this one right here. The cool one, just click on generate space. Then after generating, we just have to wait for a bit. Sorry guys. I think I'm gonna cancel it because it's taking too long. So yeah, let's cancel it. But it's gonna have like this an audio right here. You can have an extra audio right there and just say cool. There you go because we put in cool. So we have so once we've done that, we have the speed and voice changer, voice character speech, and so much more right there. Text stickers. We have our normal stickers right here. Right there you go. We have a cat sticker right here, and also the same. You can change it on the right side corner right here. Want any changes right there? You have the effects right here. Effects. It has a lot of effects. Let's say fade in. So we're gonna put the fade in. So it's gonna like a fade in. So before when it starts, fade in. There you go. Cool. So we're gonna adjust the cat. The cat. So we have much more. We have motion, light, red glow, glitch, and so much more that we can use. Here transition. As you can see right now, we have the black fade, mix, so and all of that stuff right there. Overlay. If we can use the overlay, if we want to overlay, overlay is like if you have another image right here, you copy that. Yeah, yeah, we can overlay. Oh no, I don't want to use. Okay, we're not gonna add it because I want the shadow sweep one, but it's not on pro, so yeah, we're not gonna add it anyways. So yeah, that's how you use it, and we have the glitch, side, and all of the stuff. And glitch. This looks cool. No, I don't. I don't think it looks good. Okay. No, we're not gonna use it. Okay, so captions. We have the captions here. So if we want to add a caption right here, if there's somebody talking or anything, we can click on generating caption. There you go. We go generate caption, but there's no one talking, so it's not gonna work. But when we click right here, as you see right now, we have a pro material. We are using a pro material, which is the cat. So we're gonna remove the cat maybe later, because I like the cat. Looks cute right now. So here we have the templates. If we want any templates that will work, add, as you can see, templates. Those templates are for the caption. So using this caption right here, that's the template for that, template for that, template for that, and template for oh, this one's free, so we can use that definitely. Now we have the filters right here. Filters, if you have like an image or video for the image, you change the filters right here. But they're on pro, so few of them, most of them are on pro. So we have the Just Joseph here, and we have the AI avatar, but AI avatar is on the pro side, so we can't use it. So yeah, there you go, guys. So oh wait, I'm gonna show you a cool thing that I do here. You can also make an image move. So let's say this image right here, put it right there, put it right here. So when it starts, so just click on transition right here, and then we're gonna put it over right here. Then we just make the image move it. There you go. So there you go. As you can see, there's like a dot right there. So which means when the video starts, you're gonna go like this. There you go. As you can see, now we're just gonna delete this part. Oops. just gonna delete this part, and then we're gonna click on export right here. After clicking on that, we are now allowed to choose our resolution and frame rate. We're gonna choose the 60 fps, and there we go, format audio and all of that stuff, and click on export. There we go, now exporting the video. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's about it for the video. If you want to know how to download or use pro features here on CapCut, just type it on the comment section below, or just give a like, and we'll make a video how to get CapCut Pro. Yeah, how to get the CapCut Pro, so you can download CapCut Pro even if you don't buy the CapCut, you'll be able to use the CapCut Pro. There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. Be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.